How to make a narcissist feel guilt for the way they treat you. Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to make a narcissist feel guilt for the way that they treat you. And if you're new to the channel and you like this video, please subscribe and hit that notifications bell as I upload new videos every week. When you're being treated badly by the narcissist in your life, and you respond to their abuse and call them out on what they're doing to you, all you're really wanting from them is an apology, right? You want them to feel some guilt for the way they are treating you, and you want to do anything you can to stop the abuse. Well, the first thing you're going to need to understand is narcissists don't care about you, and they don't care what they are doing to you or how they are treating you, because being in a relationship with them is not about you. All they care about is getting their needs met. As long as they are getting what they want, that's all that matters to them. They need to know that whatever they do to you is fine, as long as they are okay with it. Well, I have some good news to share with you. There is a way you can make a narcissist care. There is a way to make them feel guilty and shameful. And the way to do it, it's all about no contact. And I know that sounds simple, but it's easier said than done. Oh sure, you can go no contact for a day or two, or maybe a week, but if you haven't learned what you need to know about narcissists, that short-term no contact stuff only makes them stronger. So listen up close to what I'm going to explain here today. When you are able to remove all your focus, attention, and communication from a narcissist, when you stop displaying any level of energy around them, they are going to feel that, and they're going to hate it, because those are all things a narcissist craves. Those things will validate to them that they are desired and needed. They will take advantage of all these positive things you have to offer for a while, but eventually they will get bored, like they always do. Then they start to devalue you, and when you confront them about how they are treating you, you might as well be talking to a brick wall, because they really don't give a shit about what you are thinking or feeling. Confronting them is just a big waste of your time and energy. It just won't get you anywhere with them, and you need to trust me on that. Think of me as a test dummy. I tried confronting my abuser over and over again for years, and it got me absolutely nowhere, except deeper into that shitty relationship. And I know I sound like a broken record here, but this is very important to understand. Getting in a conflict with a narcissist is all part of their plan. It's just a trap. They thrive on conflict. It's the only way they know how to keep the relationship alive. So again, they don't give a shit about your feelings. The conflict they crave is all for their benefit, and their benefit alone. So instead of conflict with a narcissist, if you want to make them feel regret and guilt for what they've done to you, going no contact is the best approach. Because when you remove all your emotion out of the equation, when you stop giving them what they need, they will literally lose their mind. The minute you remove their power over you, the minute you stop caring and you take back the energy you were giving them, means you have just turned the tables on them. As soon as you take something away from a narcissist, those traits they desire so deeply, they will do whatever it takes to try and get that back. They are built to chase things that they can't have. To them, it's a challenge they pursue on a daily basis. So when you go no contact, it gets their attention immediately, and they will put their main focus on you and try their best to get back what you have taken from them. I'm sure you've all seen the scenario with the two kids playing. One picks up a toy and starts to play with it, and the other kid sees that toy and wants it, so they take it. Sometimes they will even fight to get that toy. It's the same with a narcissist. They're always chasing things, trying to obtain things that they can't have. So if you adopt this thought process for yourself and you want to take control of your life back, take that toy away from the narcissist and don't give it back. Take all your positive energy back. Go no contact. And what will happen next is a beautiful thing. When you take away that energy and start to focus it back onto yourself, you will find yourself growing and getting stronger. You will rise to another level. The narcissist will notice those changes in you and want to be a part of it. But you have taken away that possibility for them. You have moved on, and that will cause them to feel remorse and guilt because they let you get away. They underestimated your strength. They made a major miscalculation, and they will suffer for that. They will constantly be trying to figure out how to get you back, but it'll be too late because you've moved on. You've become a new and stronger person, and they will realize it. And it doesn't have anything to do with forgiving them or teaching them a lesson or even making them feel guilty. They'll figure all that out on their own. So listen close here, because here's the thing. Relationships with narcissists never last, and there's no point in trying to make them feel sorry for what they did to you. It doesn't matter that they want to be in communication with you. I mean, what's the point? What do they really have to offer you? Looking back, did they ever really have anything to offer in the first place? So think about this for a minute. What can they provide for you that you can't provide for yourself? Please think about what I've been talking about here today. By using your words to get your point across to a narcissist, it just never works because they don't care what you have to say. So please do me this favor. Take a different approach, a much more powerful approach. Just don't say anything. When a narcissist notices your silence and your melancholy attitude, when they see you really just don't care anymore and you stop paying attention to their wants and their needs, that's when your own self-healing can begin. I really hope you take this all to heart and communicate to the narcissist that you are finished with them. And the great thing about this no-contact approach is you won't have to say a word. Your silence will be communication enough. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, keep watching for the signs. Stay alert, be vigilant, be strong, be brave, and go live your best life today.